To our birthdays, we are starting out of Columbus. Happy 5th birthday to Reagan Hutto.
All right, Ella LaTurner is 7 strong this year. What a cutie there. Ella is in Galena.
And we want to wish a happy birthday to Skylar Carnell. She is 16 out of Erie, Kansas. Her birthday was on Saturday, but hey, better late than never. You get a birthday shout out from us. Happy birthday, Skylar.
All right, another one from the York clan. We've got Amanda York turning 36 years old in Weir, Kansas. Happy birthday wishes coming from the family.
All right, out of Chanute, Kansas, it is the big 5-0 for Greg Locke. Happy 50th to you, sir.
All right, and Marlene Cox is celebrating birthday number 78 this year. Marlene is in Lamar, Missouri.
And another candle on the cake this year for Indigo Nelson out of Columbus, Kansas. Happy birthday to you, Indigo.
All right. And also in Columbus, Linda McCollum. Birthday wishes going out to you. Meldon Strickland turning 88 years old in Erie, Kansas, one of our many 4-state heroes. And Nan Shearer is celebrating birthday number 62 in Chanute. We've got Patricia Wallace celebrating a birthday number 69 this year. And you want to take the last 2 anniversaries on our list there, Nick?
Absolutely. We want to wish a happy 21st to Archie and Patricia Wallace. Happy 21st anniversary to you two. And to Jared and Michelle Dietz. Hope I got the last name right. Celebrating 18 years together. Wed, that is, out of Pittsburgh, Kansas. Their anniversary was on Saturday. And wouldn't you know it, Jared is one of our graphic artist Will York's cousins. So another great shout out, Will. Thank you for that. And a happy anniversary to those two once again.
All right. Well, you can submit your birthdays to either of those addresses there, birthdays at KOAMTV.com or birthdays at KOAMNewsNow.com. And when you go to our website, you can also become a member of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up. And once you do, you'll get deals from local businesses. Sign up today. Nick?
All right, we'll break down our forecast now. Thank you for that switch there, Tanya. We're starting out with the big view from the jet stream level across the lower 48. Our weather for the next couple of days will primarily be driven by this upper level ridge. Not particularly strong, but strong enough to keep us in the upper 80s and maybe flirting with near 90 tomorrow. Before we see this upper low coming out of Canada, that's going to try and skirt along and push this cold front to the north closer to us by the time we hit the middle of the week. By the time that gets here, maybe some scattered showers and storms on Wednesday and maybe a few isolated storms on Thursday. But in the meantime, we are sitting dry underneath some passing cloud cover to start this morning out. And just to make doubly sure, absolutely nothing on the radar network in terms of rain underneath any of these passing clouds, which quite frankly, they're not threatening at all. In fact, it's creating a nice contrast to the rising sun continuing to make its presence known from the eastern horizon. 65 at Joplin with the southeast breeze at 5. Humidity, though, is a little bit high at 87%, but it's not really muggy outside. Looking at temperatures across the rest of the region before we hit 650, most of us are in the mid to upper 60s now. That's how we feel right now since we don't have the dew points really coming into play yet. But I think with dew points trying to push back into the mid 60s this afternoon, it may feel like it's 90 degrees outside, but in terms of what the thermometer is actually going to say, we'll stop just short of that for today. Even though the average high for today should be 90 degrees, we'll go to 71 by 8 a.m., 83 by noon, push afternoon highs to about 88 degrees for today, as partly sunny skies turn more mostly sunny throughout the course of the afternoon. And that's not just for Joplin, it's across the entire area. We'll get the passing cloud cover through during the morning hours, maybe some partly sunny skies trying to hold on to by lunchtime. Then we'll turn mostly sunny, and this will allow highs to push back into the upper 80s. Again, a little bump in the humidity might make it feel like maybe 90, 91, 92 degrees for the effect against your skin, but not too humid, not too oppressive for any outdoor plans for today. By 10 o'clock tonight, we'll see temperatures eventually start dropping back into the middle to upper 70s. A mild start for your Tuesday morning with lows dropping back into the upper 60s. And we'll just keep things quiet again for Tuesday. Even with partly sunny skies, we will trend a little warmer as we head toward your Tuesday afternoon. In fact, the 7-day forecast has highs officially hitting 90 degrees Tuesday afternoon. Middle to upper 80s Wednesday and Thursday with that front trying to bring some scattered rain chances our way and a couple of thunderstorms. That front lifts back to the north on Friday, though, allowing highs to climb back near 90, but the front comes back Saturday and Sunday with better rain chances and quite a cool down, potentially lower 80s by Saturday and Sunday. We'll be back after the break.